Did The Simpsons predict Twitter's new X logo? The world is reacting to Elon Musk's decision to rebrand Twitter by replacing the famous bluebird logo with an X. So in this video, we will explore, did The Simpsons predict Twitter's new X logo? It's the culmination of Musk's obsession with the 24th letter of the alphabet, which started in 1999 when he founded X.com, the precursor to PayPal. The X.com domain now redirects to Twitter. Earlier this year, it emerged that Twitter's parent company had been renamed X Corporation. The shift to the new logo started overnight. The website now displays an X, but the mobile app still has the familiar blue bird for now. Just like the South Park episode, Simpsons already did it, which pokes fun at how the show has covered almost every conceivable plot. Matt Groening's show may have indeed predicted the change long before it happened. The icon appeared in season 23 of The Simpsons in an episode titled Ned and Edna's Blend and vaguely resembles the new Twitter logo. A worker dismantles the Twitter sign at Twitter's corporate headquarters in downtown San Francisco after Elon Musk renamed Twitter to X and unveiled a new logo. Reuters. In 2012, The Simpsons episode Ned and Edna's Blend Agenda aired, with the plot centered on Ned Flanders' secret marriage to Edna Krabappel. Elon Musk has faced heavy criticism for rebranding the iconic Twitter logo to a simple X.zoomapres.com. During one scene, Homer's phone is shown with an app that looks suspiciously like the new X logo. However, it's not the same, and some Photoshop versions are bouncing around the internet, as fact-checker Snopes points out. That's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos, and leave a comment with your opinion.